hello to everyone out there who's watching this episode today. It's an in midweek kind of episode. My voice is getting really croaky, but this take time to actually chill out now in my tiny workspace. I'm sitting side saddle because I've got the CB750 right in front of me down here. In fact, where's my GoPro? Let me switch my GoPro on so you can actually see what I have to film in and tight space and the mess in here I need to clean up. So put this on film. You can't really see it very well, so that is the camera over there. Two lights, got the Micro 400 there, you got the Ducati Monster, you got the GS550, the CX500, and then I've got the CB750, and I'm sat here side saddle. It needs cleaning up. I'm sat here side saddle at the moment. But I am now back from Tampa in Florida, and boy was it humid. I think a few of you probably commented on a few videos on how much I was sweating out there. Oh my goodness, it was humid as anything. It wasn't the heat, it was the humidity. Back here now in my tiny workshop, and this is what I wanted to show with the GoPro, is that my workshop is tiny. It's absolutely tiny. I've now got 5 bikes in here. CB750, once it is done and everything like that, it will be going off to its rightful owner as well. So that'll be at least one thing out of the way, and then I'll probably strip down the Micro as well, the 490. I'll be doing a little small short series on that. It's not going to be too much work on the Micro 490, but the frame doesn't need to be powder coated, so it doesn't need to be stripped down. So I mean, if I do that, that'll be kind of 2 bikes out of the way. I will be starting work with the Ducati Monster soon. I've started designing it up and everything, but I didn't want to talk to you about anything like that. I just wanted to say a massive thank you to everyone who's donated so far on the Dime City Cycles build. I'm back here now, the bike is finished, and the bike kind of looks a little something like this. If you haven't followed me on Instagram and you don't know what the bike looks like and you're only seeing the episodes on YouTube, then have a look. If you don't want to look, turn away now. But that is what the bike looks like, and what's coming up is going to be this. All that is to come up on the next couple of months, all about the CX500, and we are raising money for an absolutely good cause. Now, I was only in Tampa for 2 weeks. 2 of those days of travelling, 2 of those days was the first weekend I got off there. In actual fact, we had 10 days to build the bike, and we built an entire CX500 in 10 days. It's possible, and we did it. But what I wanted to show you guys with this quick episode today was just what was coming up, and more importantly, to make you all know, I'm sure you know by now, but to raise awareness that you can actually donate to the Prostate Cancer Foundation. The charity itself is doing amazing work, saving lives, coming up with cures, coming up with treatments, everything like that. So every little bit of money that you raise goes towards that, directly to the foundation. So we're not going through any third parties or anything like that, it's going directly to the foundation itself. If you head on to Dime City Cycles website below, that donation form goes directly to the Prostate Cancer Foundation. And what we'll be doing as well is drawing a name. I think it'll be end of September. I think, I might be wrong, but I think it might be the 30th of September or thereabouts that day. So you've got until the end of September to actually donate, and for every $5 that you donate, it gives you 1 entry to win that bike. So wherever you are in the world, some exclusions apply, so check the T's and C's just to make sure if your country is actually covered in that, but we are shipping worldwide, so wherever you are, this bike will be shipped to you. You lucky, lucky people. I want the bike for myself. I absolutely love that CX500. It's so nimble. It's light. We've raised it up a lot, and you know, it just feels really nimble, and the steering's amazing. It's not a CX500 anymore. It's not. It feels more like a motocross bike. It's amazing how much it's changed. So one of you lucky people will be winning that bike. So that is all from me. This coming Friday there will be another episode. It will be the carburetor episode. What we do with the carbs. So we'll be using a vapor honing machine and everything like that, and cleaning up carbs, changing the jetting and everything like that, ready for the pods to go on. So that will be coming up this Friday. So that is all from me. Now I'm going to take the GS550 out today. That's why I'm sat here, and that's why it doesn't have a seat on, because I'm just making sure that the number plate bracket at the back is tight enough, because it is wobbling a little bit, so I might just put some new screws on. But that is all from me, and now breathe. Have a good weekend, ride safe, stay safe, more importantly, hit the link below and donate.